Have you ever wondered how to grow your own cucumbers at home? Well, if you've ever been intrigued by the idea of harvesting your own crunchy, fresh cucumbers, you're in the right place. The joy of seeing those green wonders sprout from the soil is unmatched. And the taste? Even better. Cucumbers come in a multitude of varieties, each with their own unique characteristics. There are slicing cucumbers, perfect for salads and sandwiches, and pickling cucumbers, ideal for creating tangy homemade pickles. There are even exotic varieties like the Armenian or lemon cucumber, each offering their own unique flavor profiles. Choosing the right seeds is the first crucial step in your cucumber cultivation journey. The variety you select should align with your garden's conditions and your culinary preferences. Look for seeds that are high quality and disease-resistant to ensure a healthy, bountiful crop. With the right seeds in hand, you're ready for the next step, preparing your soil. So, you've got your seeds. What's next? Preparing your soil? Yes, it's as crucial as it sounds. The soil is where your cucumbers will take root and gather their sustenance, so it's essential to get it right. The ideal soil for cucumbers is well-draining and rich in organic matter. Let's talk about pH level. Cucumbers prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a pH between 6 and 7. You can use a soil testing kit to check this. If your soil is too acidic, applying lime can help balance it out. Now, on to nutrient content. Compost or well-rotted manure can enrich your soil with the necessary nutrients. Remember, cucumbers love nitrogen, so a fertilizer high in this element would be beneficial. And soil texture? Loose, loamy soil is the best. It retains moisture, yet drains well, providing optimal conditions for root development. Now that your soil is ready, it's time to sow those seeds. Now comes the exciting part, planting your seeds and watching them grow. With your soil prepared, it's time to sow your cucumber seeds. To ensure optimal growth, your seeds should be planted about 1 inch deep into the soil. Space each seed about 12 inches apart to give them plenty of room to flourish. Now, here's a tip. Planting in rows can make it easier to manage your cucumber garden. Once your seeds are snug in the soil, they're going to need some water. Watering should be done carefully, making sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Remember, cucumbers love water, but too much can lead to problems like root rot. Aim for a gentle watering each morning, keeping the soil consistently moist. And there you have it. Your cucumber seeds are now planted and watered. With a little patience and care, you'll soon see the first signs of life from your cucumber garden. With your seeds in the ground and watered, it's time to wait for those first seedlings to appear. While we wait for those seedlings, let's talk about ongoing care and pest management. Now, cucumbers are not just a gardener's delight, they're a favorite of pests too. So you'll want to keep a keen eye out for any unwelcome visitors. Regular inspection of your plants for signs of pests and diseases should be part of your routine. Fertilization is another crucial aspect of care. Cucumbers are heavy feeders, so a balanced fertilizer applied every 2 weeks after the flowers appear will keep them growing robustly. Organic options like compost or well-rotted manure are great choices. But what about those pesky pests? Aphids, cucumber beetles, and slugs can spell disaster for your plants. Organic pesticides and natural predators like ladybugs are effective ways to manage these threats. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so keep your garden clean and your plants healthy. With these tips, your cucumbers will be growing strong and healthy in no time. After all your hard work, it's finally time to enjoy the fruits of your labor, or in this case, the cucumbers. Harvesting is all about timing. Cucumbers should be picked when they are medium-sized, firm, and bright green. The size will vary depending on the variety, but generally they should be about 6 to 8 inches long. To harvest, simply cut the stem above the fruit with a sharp knife or pruners, being careful not to damage the vine. Remember, the more you pick, the more cucumbers you'll get, so don't be shy about harvesting regularly. To quickly recap, we've taken a journey from selecting the right variety of seeds, preparing the soil, planting, watering, and managing pests. And finally, we've arrived at the exciting stage of harvesting our crisp cucumbers. By following these steps, you can enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own cucumbers right at home. Now you know how to grow your own cucumbers at home. Happy gardening!